What if lagyan ko ng anik-anik yung shoes? Hey guys, it's anik-anik time! So tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's put some anik-anik sa World Balance Republic shoes. So by the way, ito yung new lifestyle shoes ng World Balance. It's called Republic. And sakto, kaka-open lang din ng World Balance sa Green Hills Mall. And ayun, if you purchase Republic shoes sa Green Hills Mall, you can design it with anik-anik. Ikaw bahala kung ano yung charms or anik-anik na ilalagay mo. Pwede mo rin palitan yung mga shoelace. If you purchase guys, you can choose 1 shoelace, 6 charms, depende sa personality mo, 2 pins and a band for your shoelace or mga charms. By the way, marami din pa mga choices na shoes sa World Balance Green Hills Mall. If you're looking for a running, lifestyle, performance shoes, guys, meron sila dyan. By the way, I got this cream color ng Republic. And actually, pagpasok mo sa store, meron din sila mga pegs or inspo's na mga shoes if you want to design it. Design it the way you want it, depends sa personality mo. Like kayo ng maraming colors, pop of colors, or pwede rin yung mga silver or black and white. And I feel like enjoy experience to with World Balance. So if you guys want, visit World Balance Green Hills Mall and customize your own Republic shoes with anik-anik. Yun lang guys, bye! Thank you so much for watching.